Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Got a job to do I've been dreading, and we'll get to it. But first I need you to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. We're a small farm in East Tennessee. We post videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And today's video, we are going to tackle this jungle. Yeah, I kind of let it go a little bit especially after the flood. If you remember right, we haven't really been back in here since then. So, but I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna take my scissors and cut the strings, and then I'm gonna take my walk behind and go through here and mow this down, and hopefully it don't get too dusty or too bad. So, and I got my DR mower here that I want to use for that to walk behind. So I'll get started, and we'll get going and see how it goes. First thing I'm gonna do is cut these strings that we had for supports. I just want to do the middle rows, and then I'll bring my mower down through here, and then I'll get the outside row. And if they fall off, I'll pick them up. I'll save them for next year. This place, I tell you what, is a mess. I actually got a few green tomatoes in here. It's really surprising because I haven't watered this since the last of July. Okay, I got the first 2 rows cut, and I'm going to use this. Last year I used my zero turn, and it was a mistake because it flowed dust everywhere, and I hope this don't do that because I won't be able to breathe when I get to the other side because my allergies are bad anyway. So let's get this thing started and see if we can get going. You can see it ain't as bad, but it's still pretty dusty in there. So I'm gonna let that settle down a little bit. I'll cut 2 or 3 more rows, and we'll go back down and get the other ones. Okay, it's obviously the next day, and it got so dusty in there, and my lungs got so clogged up, I about passed out. So it was rough. And I didn't really pass out, but I did start sneezing and everything, so I had to stop the video. But today we're gonna come in here. I got a little better idea. I went ahead and clipped all the strings in there, and I'm gonna take a water hose and not soak it, but kind of lightly wash it down. Maybe it'll keep that dust down, and then I'll mow over it. That's one of the reasons I haven't done my bush hogging yet either, because I'm kind of waiting on a good rain and knock all this dust down. Boy, it just tears me up this time of year. I don't know what it is, ragweed or something, but as soon as it rains, I'll probably be bush hogging. So if it don't rain in the next 2 weeks, I'll probably just have to go ahead and suffer, but hopefully it'll rain and I'll knock all this down anyway. Let's get this, see what this does here. 100 times better. Yeah, I don't feel nothing clogging me up, so I like that way a lot better. Now we got all this knocked down, and I'll let that sit for probably till this weekend. I'll pull this fabric out, and I'll take all these things down, and I'll show you the aftermath. The other high tunnel, we'll walk over and look at it. It ain't gonna take very long. I won't bore you with that, but we'll just look at it real quick. You can see this one won't be bad at all. I don't have those strings, and of course I've been watering this one all along until we got that hard frost the other day, and it killed all everything in here. It's wanting to go with peppers till Thanksgiving, but it got so cold down here. I think it's like 23 degrees, and it just can't handle that. So anyway, I'll take it over the same way, and I'll take this fabric up, and we'll till it and all that stuff, get ready for next year. But hope you see a little bit what goes into it, how we do it. I guess the right way would be to pull them up. But, you know, I did that a little bit one year. And it takes all your soil, it takes a big old glob of soil up too. I figured this way would be easier, just save our soil. And them roots will decompose in there and actually put organic matter back into the soil. That's why I do it like this. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to give you a little glimpse on the high tunnel at the end of the year. I'll come back in a couple of videos and we'll look at it when it's all cleaned out. But hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody that subscribes and watches our videos. Give us a thumbs up. And remember to support your local farmer. And we'll see you down here on the farm in the next video.